A recent study by Lancet reveals that Covishield vaccine provides slightly less protection against the Delta Plus variant, and this is even after 2 shots are administered. However, vaccine experts in India aren't too worried by this study. Here's the details.
Does the Delta Plus variant reduce a vaccine's efficacy? That's the big debate as the mutant becomes the new threat in the battle against coronavirus. What has set off alarm bells is a Lancet study which said that the AstraZeneca vaccine given as a Covishield in India provides slightly less protection against the variant even with 2 shots, 60% after 2 doses, just 33% after a single shot. But vaccine experts in India are not too worried.
See, though there are certain reports which initially talked of reduction in the efficacy of the vaccine against this Delta variant. However, if you look at the data that is emerging from vaccine rollout participants from UK, where they did an observational study, they found that whether it is AstraZeneca or even Pfizer, they retain their ability to stop these mutants still, despite the fact that small amounts may have been dropped to some extent.
But the bigger concern is that the Delta Plus mutant is making monoclonal antibody treatment ineffective, which means it has the potential to damage human organs.
All of us know that in South Africa, they found that this particular variant, 417 variant, was also part of the variant of P1, that is the Brazilian variant, which was able to evade the vaccine-induced immune response. Now, cell-to-cell transmission is something which is far different, which we have not seen so far. Perhaps also ensure that different organs, wherever it goes, it may be able to go by syncytia formation into other cells and linger there to produce more organ damages.
The jury is still out on whether the vaccine will work against the Delta Plus variant. For now, 2 doses of a vaccine is still the best option to keep any variant of coronavirus at bay.
The question that most people would now ask is, would we have enough evidence to show or to prove that it's either evading or not evading vaccines, or it's either not evading antibodies or immunity that has been developed through natural infection?
From South African variant, we started thinking that it might have some property like that. But again, we need to have experimental verification of that, validations of that. And we don't have enough cases that vaccine breakthroughs are always happening because of the Delta Plus. We can't say it.
The only consolation is that the global data shows that the number of breakthrough infections to the Delta variant is still small. With Milan Sharma in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And with that, it's a wrap on this edition of The Bulletin. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, for all the top headlines, you can log on to our website, indiatoday.in, or download the India Today app.